like kang kay Padja. si Patrick. Pero para makapagtrabaho siya, kailangan niya itong ihabilin at ipaalaga sa kapitbahay. Tuloy na nawala ng direksyon sa buhay si John. Dahil dito, tinanggap na rin niya ang mga iniiwasan niya noon bilang isang macho dancer. Tuloy na niya umiyakan ang mundo ng prostitusyon.
Ay, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Pasensya ka na, natagalan yung meeting namin eh. But you know what? Good news! May pumasok akong mga bagong clients. Kaya we're going to stay here a little longer pa.
Oh, ano ba longer?
Okay.
Hindi po kasi pwede dahil birthday po naman ako. Tsaka, ilingo ko lang po yung sa kapitbahay namin eh.
Oh, sorry na. Ako na lang ang magbabayad sa kanila. At dadagdagan pa kita. What do you say? Hindi naman kita pinababayaan, di ba?
Hindi naman po ma. Hindi naman ako pinapabayaan.
So,
Papayag na ako.
kaya na nga ako sinasabi ko. Sorry. So, baka ka na mabait ka pa. Ay, ayan ang bagay. Kaya gusto kita, mo? I like you so much.
O ano pang mga service, no? Noong una parang hindi mo kayang gawin. Na natutunan mo lang gawin. Paano yung mga ibang yun?
Ayun po yung magiging escort.
O bakit pag-escort yan? Iba ang escort. Parang date ka lang, date na date ka.
Depende po kasi yun sa magiging usapan yun ng client.
Pag-uusapan yun muna.
Kung ano po yung
Halimbawa?
mangyayari, kung pwede bang ganito, pwede bang wala, pwede bang meron mangyari, ganun po.
Ano yung mangyayari?
Para makikipag-alwak po sa akin, makikipag-tali ka po dun sa...
Ay, kasama yun.
Opo.
Matrona?
Opo.
Mga babae yung ano sa'yo.
Babae po, mga bading din po, meron din naman.
Ba din meron din.
Papa, may tatawag si Mama. Ayaw niya na ba sa akin?
Sabi ni Mama, saan tatawag sa'yo? Saka, hindi naman ibig sabihin, hindi kayo magkasama. Hindi ka niya na gusto, di ba?
Ano ba ako? Pwede ba ikaw? Ano ba tayo?
Sana, patandaan mo na. Lahat ng tuloy ipapataya sa'yo. Ano yan?
lumayas ka. Basta mamuti lang kayo balik. Sabihin mo sa akin ang totoo mo. Kasi ginawa mo sa'yo na sa akin. Nais kong ipakilala sa inyo si Tara. Hello po.
Malaking pagpapago sa tungkol ng tao. Pero sa liwan ng luwata, damdamin nila ang malalim na sakit ng dati. Kailangan ang magsalita sa
Ano ang magawa mo sa dyan?
kailangan ang pumili ng papatiyan.
Kabukin ang suway ng ulo ni Dea.
Saturday, 8 p.m. sa GMA. Dahil ganito ba?
Kapuso, nananatiling tapat.
Ginagawa ang nanakaw.
Patuloy na nagsisikat.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Ibinibigay ang lahat para sa iyo.
Ate Dayan, huwag mo siyang iiwanan ng makamata.
Dahil sa barako, nabubuo ang isang kasunduan.
Totoo na kasal na kaming dalawa.
Tumapang ka papunta rito.
Pero paano kung si Manuga walang inuulungan?
Nandito na ako. Ano ba ang gusto niyong pag-usapan natin?
Kakayanin kaya ni Eagle Piera ang Wicked Info. Begins September 8, Monday, 11:30 p.m.
September na, oras na para sa Ayos Christmas Party. Mga queens na aura, may sayawan with the TVD Girls, Yasuni and Rod June, exclusive fan meet with Jillian Ward. Mga regalo, maraming sayo all out Sundays.
Masipag na magalay
Ang pangit ng mga designs.
versus a bratty influencer. Rico Studio presents
Mga salasalabit na problema sa tubig, inaksyonan namin. Resibo. Construction workers na aksidente sa trabaho. Paano nga ba matutulungan?
Dito na talaga si Wilfred na. Nabunin ako sa buhay niya.
Oo na ang desisyon ko makuha ng visa ang kasal mo.
Usada, weekdays, 4 p.m. sa GMA.
Sabi nga nila, ang gilid sa utang kumakain. Pero paano kung ang kailangan sa iyong kakapitan? Ginagawa ko naman ng paraan para makabayad. Ang siya ka lang mas lalong magpapalugod sa iyo.
Alam mo ba, Miss Kitty, anong oras na? Ano? Oras na kami ngayon ako.
A Blue Light and Techno Show. Sunday, 10:05 p.m.
Painkillers na mga tulad mo.
Una mo, makakaranas ka ng pagputuloy.
Alamin ko araw-araw. Bakit mo ba ito ginagawa sa akin?
Tila sa oras nagkakaroon ng pagbiligis. One ordinary day, 5:10 p.m. Back-to-back silver wins ang naiuwi sa U.S. International Awards ng 24 oras total special reports nina Sandra Hinato at Sandra Efron at itinanggal na finalist naman ang unang balita and Nino special reports ni Arlene Khan in our commitment to truth, service, and world-class journalism. We are GMA Integrated News, the news authority of Filipinos.
Mula po rito sa Rome, Italy, Vatican City, Osaka, Japan, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, California,
Las Vegas, Nevada.
This ICC,
Singapore, Jakarta, Indonesia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Cambodia, expect ang border crossing.
dito sa New Delhi, sa India.
Patuloy na ihabi ang pinakamagalaking balita sa mundo. GMA Integrated News, ang news authority ng Filipino.
Nagtutong ka? Ganda naman. Naku, may lagnat ka. Ganda agad. Ang ganda. Pwede sa walang naman yan. Plastic, no shake, mapait sa dami. Ang galing ng ganda. Nagsusukat may lagnat ka na. Parang kainom ng damo.
nararamdaman mo pa rin ba yung pagmamahal para sa mama mo?
Oo. Mas ano pa nga friends, ano pa yung pagiging sabi ko sa magulang.
Anak, hindi mo ba ako aawayan? O susumbatan? Iniwan kita. Napakalaki ng pagkukulang ko sa'yo.
Gusto niyo po gawin ko. May sakit na kayo, tapos sisigaw mo pa kayo. Hindi po ako ganun pinalaki ng lola ko. Pero tama kayo. Malaki ang pagkukulang niyo sa akin. Lagi ko nga iniisip. Ano kaya kung hindi kayo naghiwalay ni Papa? Hindi na ako iniwan kay Lola. Siguro, nakapag-aral ako. Nakapagpapasayaw. Nakamuha ako ng magandang trabaho. Buo pa rin yung pamilya ko. May nanay pa rin sa pante. Hindi ko masarap kung gano'n na yung dinanas ko. Para may rakas na mahirap na ito. Ano ba? Utang na tingin sa'yo. Daling kahit sa akin. Ay kahit paano nakatayo ko sa sarili ko pa. Naging matibay ako.
Patawarin mo ako. Patawarin mo ako, anak. Hindi ko alam kung paano mabawi sa'yo. Patawarin mo ako. Sorry.
Unti-unti napag-aralan ni Jack na patawarin ang kanyang ina. Sa pagpapatuloy ng pandemya, tumayong padre de pamilya si John para kina Patrick at sa kanyang ina. Pero dahil lockdown noon at nanatiling sarado ang mga game bar, naubos ang kanyang ipon. Ang pagiging online macho dancer ang ginawang source of income ni John noong panahon ng pandemya.
Basta, kung gusto niyo ng private show, Ian is the key.
Eh, yung online dancing, online, hindi mo kilala yung mga customer mo. Ay, hindi. Eh, paano yun? Hindi nga kayo nakikita paano ko babayaran.
Eh, nag-learn po kami dyan.
Kumbaga parang may ticket, gano'n.
Ako, parang 1,000 per head po yun.
Tapos gano'n karami yung nanonood ba?
Hanggang 100 lang po yung participants.
Isang show, 100,000? Mahal pala nun.
Boss, may pasalong ako sa inyo muna.
Papa, si Lola,
Ano nga na doon mga suki?
Puerto Mayas na binuhusan ng peanut butter at condensed milk.
Exciting, American Pie.
Bakit mo sila
Ganito ka totoo lang po.
O husband na pogi, kapuso mo, Jessica Soho.
Hi, Paolo, and I'm Miguel. Kulasa. And sabi nila, two heads are better than used to nurturing each other's dreams mula pagkabata. Kaya ang gusto namin ibahagi sa mga pili talents na mga kasama natin dito. Dito at taga, Kaya wants you.
The Voice Kids. September 14th, after Polygram on GMA.
Hindi maaaring mabunyagan ang iyong nakikataya.
Pag-alip-agad ang sasalubong kay Tena. Isang pabanakay ni Tena.
Hindi ang music ang pinakamalakas sa lahat. Hindi pagkakatawa.
Ang sikreto ni Eddie.
Si Eddie, siya ang totoong kalaban.
Isa-isa nang mabubunyaan.
You want the truth? Here's the truth. I love your sister.
Si Fred, kung imanong ko daw sa papatay kasi Helen.
Ang mga babaeng nagarabyado ni Eddie. Magsasabi puwersa na.
I rise from the ashes and come out stronger. And this is Human Empire.
On GMA Pride.
Isa na ng gera.
Busbel, Saint Pelchan, good evening. Para Garcia, good evening.
Sanggang ni Echo Rio.
Pwede rin ako sa operasyon natin na may gagawin.
Totoo na yan. Saan namin nilagay? Ang problema, Musa.
Unang aksyon ang linggo ng hapon. Ngayong Setyembre. FBJ sa GMA.
Gorgeous girls at sporty hots.
Thank you sa patamsak, Saint Pelchan.
Sa school, ayaw mong katabi ang kaklase mong lahat. Lampas, kapas lupa.
Family Feud. 5:40 p.m.
Ikaw, si Jessica, nandito ka, sa ibig sabihin nandito rin ang tatay niyo.
Ang pagbunyak ng sikreto ba? Anay, ang bunyak sa pagpupuli. O simula ng pagkakasila nila.
Bigla rin ang konsensya ko na hindi tinulungan ka.
Kaya na tayo yan. Konsensya niya.
Hindi sila umalis ka dito. Papaalis. Papaalis, hindi ko sila sasama ako.
Naruunang family drama sa Apple Cruise versus Cruise. Na-enjoy ka na ba?
Ano ang ikalimang planeta mula sa araw Jupiter?
Laro ka na ulit sa It's Showtime.
Dito na talaga si Wilfred na. Nabalay na ako sa buhay niya.
Oo na desisyon ko mapawalang visa ang kasama ng Carolina na yan.
Akusada. Weekdays 4 p.m. sa GMA.
Ang mga proyektong natuklasang inabanto na, mawawala at hindi mapakinabangan. Dapat lang na may mapanagot sa sinasabing malawakang katiwalian dahil ang bawat sentimo pera natin ito.
Sa Reporters Notebook.
Sabi nga niya, kapag init sa utang bumakati. Pero paano kung ang inaasahan mong kakapitan?
Ginagawa ko naman ng paraan para makabayad.
Ang siya palang mas lalong magpapalubog sa'yo.
Mas malala ang kasama mo.
Hindi totoo yung nagpuso ko siya. Huwag kayo maniwala.
Sinungaling ginutusan niya kung barilin si Olivia.
Sino naman ang maniniwala sa'yo?
Ako, Nicholas.
Oras na ng maninilig.
Totoo lahat yun.
Desirable Flowers. Kanya
Piling natin matuto at mag-enjoy with science in one experiment. B1 tama, isa kayaman. I believe.
B1 Tama. Isang mensahe mula sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. I believe an amazing earth. Mga kapuso, dahil sa inyong pagtitiwala mo ng 1 million na tayo sa GMA Regional TV YouTube channel. Manatiling nakatuto sa GMA Regional TV Newscast. Mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel at i-follow ang official Facebook pages.
Mahal ang mga gamot. Lemang mura. Baka hindi
at pioneer sa genetics.
Maganda sa bansa.
Siguraduhin ang quality. Dapat DGP Genetics. First name, David. Pero may last name ng buhok. Sunsilk with active ingredient, outline oils, vitamins, and proteins para always smooth hair na may maliit na kakainin. Walang makakapigil. Action. Sunsilk with active ingredient.
Sa
Super Fit! Isa pa ba? Super Pizza! Bigyan na! A-cracker, wafer, at filling! A great combination that inspires creativity. Okay? Ang dessert mo, tuna, siksik, sarap, at sulit. See? Konti lang ang mantika. Nagsot na sarap. Masarap. Switch to San Marino corn tuna. Hello? Dessert.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Hello, Ma'am Chin. Good evening.
Bumalik ka.
Bumalik na po.
Kamusta naman yung pangalawang balik na? Iba na po sa una.
Pangit na po na nangyari.
Ay, bakit?
Kasi parang puro mas malala na po sa nangyayari sa akin. Kabas ko sa puro na mas malala na po yung nangyayari kasi ngayon.
Siyempre, kaya din. Pero, pansamantala naman talaga ito. Hindi naman isa pa ng trabaho ko eh. May gusto ko ito eh. Para yung buhay ni nanay. Magaling na kasi ito.
Richard, magaling ka sa mga parokyano na pag-isayaw ng ito, ha? Yung pabalikan na ito, syempre, sabi mo na pwede.
Pero, may nag-offer. Pwede ka lang kong ilabas. Manipos pa tayo. Huli ko na ito.
Richard, Camille. Wala ka nakakisap na rin to. Huwag mo yung tatanggapin ko yan. Sasabihin ko pumayag ka na.
Saint Phil Jan. Good. Thank you sa pagtambay.
Balita ko. Hindi ko naman sa'yo. Ako sir, paano ko po kasi ngayon ang negosyo. Dito. Buka dito. O yan. At na-relax po kong na to.
pinaka-DJ natin.
Dami ko sila.
Iwala ka masaya to.
Uy, sige dali. Siya.
Lahat ng kaba, lahat ng pasabog na performances.
Hindi ka magpapasinta. Sininta ko kami.
Lahat ng labang na surviving nyo para makarating dito. You are telling all of us that I want this and I can get it. Hindi kita makakalimutan. Are nothing but preparation for the showdown.
Attention, class nation.
Standing before you is the next The Clash Grand Champion.
Kung sino yun, sabay-sabay natin alamin.
Arabelle Leopard Juarez and Joe. Sa laban sa lahat.
Makina ang pinakamatibay.
Let the final fight begin.
Clash 2025, the Grand Finals. This Sunday, 7:15 p.m.
Marami pang mga naman ito kami isa-isay natin sila.
Sandali naman yung hindi na umuwi.
I want them both right. Sanggang is for real.
Here at Hotel Truly.
Welcome to Hotel del Luna.
Paano ka naluluman ko?
Dahil kay Lord ng Lola po.
Look for the cabinet in Snake. Lumayas ka. Basta mo kailangan kayong mali. Sabihin mo na sa akin ang totoo nangyari. Ginawa ni Zelma sa akin.
Beauty Empire.
Pwede ka ba kayo dun sa operasyon natin, mga kagaya?
Totoo na. Handa namin yung gabi.
September na, oras na para sa Ayos Christmas Party. Queens na aura, may sayawan with the PBB Girls, Suri and Raju. Exclusive fan meet with Jillian, Walt, Clave Regalo. Parang sayo all out Sundays.
Masipag na magalay.
Ang pangit ng mga designs.
Versus a bratty influencer.
Ang bait-bait sa mga videos. Makita mo ito.
Rio Studio presents.
Mga salasalagit na problema sa tubig, inaksyonan namin. Resibo. Construction workers na aksidente sa trabaho. Paano nga ba kakatulungan?
Okay.
Kung di makuha ang reaksyon ng lasahan sa saliwes ng bahay sa kalaban.
Gusto ko malas. Nasa nasa.
Cruz versus Cruz.
Tapos na, wala na tayong magagawa para magkabuto. Nalalaman nyo natin sa kanila.
September isa.
Mas masawag pa sa impyerno.
p.m. or now on Saya.
Kailangan natin gawin ang mga palalasin ang kakalanawan sa
Sa pagitan ng magkaibang mundo,
Sa tanaan ng tadhana.
magkatagpo ang kanilang mga puso. Iwasan naman silang gano'n sa kapag ginagayaan pagbabahala kung maraming pagsulong.
Makikita mo ang lagusa niya. Sirain mo lang harang ng hapsan kung pinakikita mo rin ang tuking katapusan.
Love between Fairy and Moon Supreme. September 8th, weekdays, 8:25 a.m.
Kahit sino, kahit saan, pwedeng maging bahagi ng pagbabalita. Sisipan mo rin ba? Maging mapagmasid, i-share ang kwento gamit lang ang cellphone mo. Ito ang iba't ibang paraan para mag-submit ng mga video at litrato. Tandaan, always use #newscoop. I-like at i-follow ang official page. Kwentong totoo, kwentong kapuso. Newscoop Plus.
As a mom, I can care for them when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs. I choose new Safeguard's complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another antibacterial, it protects against 10 types of harmful germs. Bakit ka kaya sila?
Bakit tira? Ay, ikinunan pa sa Spain.
Hindi kinahin ko sa buto.
Pero kaya lang, Ariel with them. Mas Spain, mas Cambodia, may Terex, Power Free. May lang news, hindi matcha. Sige sa Ariel.
Sundan sa totoong pilay, mula sa Bear Brand. Ito lang ang may 100% vitamin D. May tibay katawan at heat resistensya nutrients pa. Isang gawin iba.
parang naman po may handa po kami ng New Year at saka para makapag-ipon po ako sa tuition itong makulit na anak ko, di ba? Di ba?
Yes, muna po.
Yes po, please. May nag-comment. Mine all. Merry Christmas to Johnny and Patrick. Maraming salamat po, Norma. Norma? Norma? Kumusta po? Merry Christmas po. Salamat po, Norma. Sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng live namin. Hanggang sa susunod na live po namin. Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, kain ka na. Kakain ka na masarap. Yan. Ang pagkain na, no? Oh, di ba paborito mo yan? Fried chicken, spaghetti, o tsaka kanin. Eh, kaso dalawa lang tayo, paano natin maubos mo? Kaya mo, kainin natin bukas, sa susunod na linggo, basta kumain tayo ng masarap. Dali, dali.
Kaya naman GMA ang may pinakamatama, pinakamatinaw na reception para siguradong maabot namin kayo sa magkapo ng bansa. Dahil sa inyong todong suporta, tayo pa rin ang leading TV network sa buong Pilipinas at pinakapinapanood sa Urban Philippines. Nagandito ang inyong napapahaw online. GMAnetwork.com, ang #1 Philippine news and media publisher. Nobody's a simpler threat on websites ranking. Constitutional leaderboard rankings. GMA is a Philippine company among the world's top 20 media companies. One media company on GMA, Philippines on Southeast Asia. Todo yan good vibes dahil sa solid na social media fund natin at sa inyong online views. Todo na natin ang saya. His #1 AM station ang Super Radio DZWB at #1 FM station ang Barangay MX 97.1.
Mula umpisa hanggang dulo, walang bumitaw sa iyo.
Sa baston o sa ang excitement sa mga pagbalikan namin para sa inyo. Ito ang GMA. Forever grateful, forever one with the Filipino.
We're back with an exciting new season.
Kasama ang OG Coach, Coach Vic.
The Queen is back. Mga bagong superstar coaches, record-breaking singer-songwriter Zach Tabuco. How about you? History with me, Project Z.
Double the talent, double the
The Voice Kids.
September 14th, Saturday, 7 p.m. on GMA. Anong halaga mga suki?
Ito'y tumayas na binuhusan ng peanut butter at condensed milk.
Connected by
Sila nakahangin ko ng buhay.
Courthouse Street na Kobe, Kapuso mo, Jessica Soul.
Hindi maaari mabuti at hindi nagtatagya.
Madami pa na nagsasalubong kay Ken.
Sabukan sa iyo.
Isang pabalang kay
Hindi mo miss it, ang pinakamalakas sa lahat.
tumanong ko daw sa papatay na si Helena.
At mga babaeng nagarabyado ni Eddie, magsasabing pwersa na.
I rise from the ashes and come out stronger. And this is my empire.
On GMA Prime.
Isa na lang yan.
Isa-isa natin sila.
Pero escaping. Sabi naman yung hindi mo mamagin.
Isang kapige for real. Bago-bago FPJ sa GMA, 3:15 p.m.
Buo na desisyon ko makuha ng visa kasi mga pangalihan na.
Akusado, weekdays, 4 p.m. sa GMA.
Sabi nga nila kapag hindi sa utang kumakapi. Pero paano kung ang inaasahan mong kakapitan ginagawa o naman ng paraan para makabayad? Ang siya ka lang mas lalo magpapalubo sa'yo.
Alam mo ba, Miss Vicky, anong oras na? Ayo! Oras na para makunin mo ako.
The Blue Light and Tekla Show, Sunday, 10:05 p.m. Tekla, Seka.
Sa 75th anniversary ng GMA, ang GMA 4-Box, $6.99 na lang. Kaya enjoy na ang lahat ng Kapuso digital channels. Panoorin ang inyong favorite shows gamit ang GMA 4-Box. Siguradong mas malinaw, mas makulay, at mas maganda ang inyong panonood. Winner talaga! GMA 4-Box, $6.99 na lang. Sige na!
One Mahogany sa Balita Online. Join the millions of users of GMA News online app. We're alive. Get the latest news, access exclusive stories, watch video reports, and live stream all in one app. Go to Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for GMA News. Look for the official app like GMA Integrated News and GMA New Media. Install and get sparkling news to lifestyle to sports. We've got everything for you. One Mahogany sa Balita. GMA News online app. Balita maasa. Nasa kamay mo na. Ang News Authority ng Pilipino. Ang walang lagay ng panahon.
Pinaalalahanan ba na ang mga residente sa outlying areas ng LPA na ito kikilos po yan pa?
Ang ating boses
Ewan ko, wala namang nagawa.
sa bawat hamon ng kalikasan. Maaasahan GMA Integrated News.
Malakas ba ang resistensya mo? Mag-Centrum Advance. May triple immunity protection. Tulong para malakas ang resistensya at buong katawan. Mag-Centrum Advance. Taas ng lagnat? Ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. May diarrhea si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Huwag Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Our best ever idol cheese song. Our cheesiest idol ever. CDO. Dandruff and dry hair? Switch to Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff, a 2-in-1 solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smoothened hair. Pero no dandruff na, healthy, smooth hair pa. Sunsilk. Di may iwasan ang stains at germs everyday. Kaya dapat mag-sunrock sa bawat kabat. Up to 2 times ang linis ng stains at germs kaysa detergent lang. Ang nakalilinis sa Sunrocks. Linis na di kaya ng detergent lang. Hindi na kita iiwan, anak, ha?
Matawad yun na matagal akong nawala. Di
desisyon. Piluin mo, alam kong punta na ako sa bangin, ganito dire-diretso pa rin ako. Hindi ko alam, baka silaw na ako sa pera. Pero wala na yan.
Wala pa nga.
Matuto na ako. Mahalaga. Bumalik ka. Dito ka na. Kasama natin si Patrick. Wala. Diba?
Kaya na. Di ba sabi mo paborito mo yan? Sige na, sige na.
Dito ka.
O, sige, sige.
Kahit ka na marami ha. Gusto mo ba ng chicken din?
Salamat. Ba't ikaw? Bakit? Wala. Bakit ikaw din?
Okay na,
Oh,
okay lang.
Thank you. Ilan? Anong aral ang maisishare mo sa kanila?
Doon po sa, lalo na po sa mga kabataan na maaga nag-anak o pamilya, wala naman po masama doon. Kumbaga, mas pagbutiin lang nila, mas magsumikap sila, gawin nila kung ano yung kaya nila. Mas kita nila kung ano yung magiging bata nila para at least maging mabuhay yung pamilya nila, maging maayos yung pamilya nila, mapakain ng maayos. At sa mga burn naman po, sa mga ganyan, nandiyan pa rin po sa mga bar. Darating naman po yung panahon, magsumikap lang po sila, mag-isip lang po sila ng mabuti para at least isip po nila na balang araw makakaalis kayo din, makakaahon kayo din. May malahihulay po ako ng linis sa bar.
Maraming salamat sa pag-share mo ng buhay. Good luck to you and God bless you.
Hindi po.
Welcome. Para sa ating mga ka-millennials, ay syempre pati ang ating mga Gen X at Gen Z, dahil mahal ko kayong lahat, ito'y uulit-ulitin ko sa inyo mula sa aking puso. Pagbutihin ninyo ha, at tapusin ninyo ang inyong pag-aaral. Huwag kayong mag-aasawa at mag-aanak na maaga. Nang sa ganun, hindi ninyo kakailanganin isakripisyo ang inyong dangalan pagkatao para makapaghanap buhay. Sikapin ninyong makahanap ng marangal na trabaho. Nang sa ganun, hindi masisira ang kumpiyansa ninyo sa inyong sarili. At taas noon ninyo mabubuhay ng maayos ang inyong pamilya. Ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman.
Nakakalito ka naman talaga. Kaya naman abono ka. Dahil si Toby na yun. Tapos nawagtis ka pa.
Ano ba? Parang gusto mo.
Ano gusto mo? Ano ito? Nangyari na to sila noon eh. Inuulit mo na naman.
Sinabi ko kung cancel. Si Japan.
Sino yung baby nito?
Ano ka po ba?
Sino to?
I promise you, I'm honest. I just want us to be friends.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG at buhay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Hey guys! This is your charming Charlotte sa isa namang travel vlog! Pero guys, kung hindi mo siya kung nasan ako today well, I'm here at Hotel Trinity! Also known as Hotel de Luma. Kasi super luma at outdated na ang aesthetic dito. See for yourself na lang guys. Kuya, what can you say about sa mga rumors or chika na marami raw nawawalan ng mga gamit dito? Particularly mga stat toys. At sabi nila, mga ghost raw ang kumukuha.
Wala po. Wala po.
guys.
Walang ganun, cause that's impossible. I'm pretty sure the marketing shop dito ng hotel nyo para marami kang curious at marami kang check in kahit also diba ng building na to. Right? Pero guys, let's see. Kasi ayoko mawala. Sorry, ma'am, sorry. Excuse me? Rude! Sir Clerk, okay na raw po yung toilet sa West Wing sa second floor and na-report ko na din po sa maintenance and on the way na po si...
Okay na, Nikki. Good job ka talaga. Always okay, always on the way. Basta always may pagpintong sa tabi ko at always kang ready to receive ang parcel ko at lagi kang online sa hotel na to. Good job ka sa akin. Ang ibig sabihin mo, hindi mo tatagal ako kami. Ganun mo talaga. Sobrang gusto talaga ko yun.
Pero favorite ko talaga ito na.
No problem. Kamusta kayo dyan?
Hello, sir!
Ayos. Napala yung mga pinag-drive ko. Kapag ko ayun sa pinag-drive ko. Ano ba lang?
Yes, po, sir.
Alam mo kasi sasabihin ko sir, hindi mo ginagawa kayo ng gusto mo.
As if ba naman yung choice niya? Kailangan natin itong trabaho, diba?
Oo nga, okay. Pero, di ba gusto mo yung the best for test receptions? Di ba dapat hindi ka naman mag-focus kaya sa pagiging personal analysis mo?
My Lord, konting face na lang, magpapamutan daw ako. Tsaka, naniniwala ako sa 100% tayo dapat sa pagsiserve sa ating mga guests. Pero maging masaya sila, diba? And, pati na rin sa mga katrabaho natin.
Ano ba? Happy na happy sa ito.
Dito sa hotel, truly, yes, ang first priority. Kaya sige na, kasi mauunahan ka na ng guests mo. Ayos na. Enjoy your stay.
Ma'am,
Oh, boy. This is my room. It's not your usual 4-star, 5-star hotel room. Can you just leave the things here? But remember guys, kahit na hindi aesthetic yung room or hotel na pupuntahan nyo, never forget to take your stuff. Yes, kuya.
And on ships like the Web, you're free. The famous I shall return. See, I will proceed.
yeah, where was most of this money source? For the most part, we tried our best to reuse things that we already had. So, from the pallets, from the aside from that, we also tried our best to work with local suppliers. This table, for example, is from
that we're gonna throw.
I shall ask. So, what was the sort of mood you were trying to evoke?
We were lucky enough because Jin is really a client. What we did was try to reference the character and the era of Jin. Blue is her favorite color. She is an environmentalist. She loves Ilawi. So we also have this on the wallpaper. And you'll see, yeah, it's a lot of the fauna will be found here in the Philippines. So that kind of relates to that part of her life story. Since she is from Pampanga, we make sure that all the nature is in the place.
And I have to say, it looks like. So, one of the things I thought
Perhaps in the incident, former President Joseph Estrada, who was also a longtime actor, had a penchant for buying French furniture.
it was when we really did feel a lot of the faculty inspirations. Got this Belgian chair right here, which is a very classic French piece. And have that in combination with the Filipino elements, right? So you've got this beautiful headboard that's really changed. So this is a really nice combination of both cultures sort of mixed together.
And it was nice artwork.
He's a true fan, right, of European culture as well. And you see that, you feel that in this room.
Yes, and this work was also done by Jonathan. The ruling team's a neutral show, which is the former president's judgment.
Maintaining the overall neutral colors of the mansion, the Rodrigo Duterte room evokes the former president's character by luring in deep brown and burgundy accents to the mix. These colors, accentuated with leather fittings and animal prints, point to Duterte's masculine face.
This is very striking. We were actually carpet. And what they did here was they did the English. They also had the policies that they sort of pushed their presidency. And they kept on to so actually she is not exactly like if you look closely enough, those are bullet marks, real bullet marks. So we do want that another example of how the designers put their creative position in the yeah.
You know what I was told? They actually had some of his friends actually shoot ones on fire. From one Aquino to another, modesty runs in the family, as evident in the late president, Corazon Aquino's room. One of the two presidents who resided in the Liberal mansion. This room was done by Alvaro Chano.
Very beautiful and ancient and textures. But also a lot of yellow, right? Wasn't yellow your favorite color?
Yes, yellow was the color, President Aquino. Peace and tranquility are the core of the room's design, with subtle hints of powerful movement that the late president led. The yellow-colored accents and images of the iconic yellow ribbons that adorn the room. And nice touches, because we have this, the yellow and the coat.
Yeah, outside in the shower peacefully, so
As a nod to the late president's home with painting, the curtains, and the wallpaper that details the room. As the historic mansion becomes a repository of the lesser-known parts of the country's history, we'll dive deeper into the other rooms that mirror the lives of those who were once in power. Stay tuned.
get a full place to ourselves. And I can do that a private tour. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm here to find one of
Manuel Ramos's presidency, it has always been coupled with order and justice. And again, we have a room that has that strong contrast of modern and classic and traditional. The furniture actually is mostly traditional style, and the rest of the room is quite modern. The repetitive, uniform, square pattern across the room represent peace and order under Ramos's leadership. The blue walls stand for the color of the upper stripe of the Philippine flag in times of peace. Sleek and stylish, the simplicity of the furniture represents the disciplined nature of Ramos, who was once a military man.
This room is located near the pool and the garden, which keep the atmosphere fresh and vibrant. Nature and the outdoors are things the late President Rodrigo Medina was known to enjoy. The luxury elements are also present for the room, as he was known to be the first Pinoy to obtain the highest office of the land.
The room dedicated to the late President Carlos P. Garcia is very symbolic of his hot piece. In his obituary in 1971, the New York Times said this of the late president: "He was an excellent chess player, a reader of philosophy and history, and a poet." The centerpiece of the room is a chessboard, which Garcia was known to be good at. The book's design wallpaper is a nod to Garcia, being regarded as Prince of the Siam poets.
See so many Filipino touches.
From the basket shape there to this lovely decorative.
Those are the hats.
Yes, that's right. The pieces of Salakot hanging on the wall symbolize the International Rice Research Institute, which he established in 1960.
Caught in between the old and the new, the late President Manuel A. Rojas is a pivotal character in our sovereignty. Being the last of the Commonwealth presidents and the first third Philippine Republic. Just like our quest for sovereignty, the bedroom features pieces made of local materials in clean modern lines. This represents his administration's quest for the Filipino identity and the struggle for self-governance.
From one Cebuano to another, world-renowned designer Kenneth Pabonca infused the Sergio Osmeña room with the late president's personality. He drew inspiration from Osmeña's roots, as well as the Cebuano vibe with the tropical elements in the room.
With the renovation of the Lateral Mansion comes the reconstruction of a past that influences how we live in the present.
Beyond the historical legacy, find out more about how the Lateral Mansion is an artistic expression of Filipino creativity to the world. More on that when we return.
Non-Melvis office are about to embark on a 4-hour meditation challenge. It's 4 great artists in the year. This kind of thing, I think, will comply yourself on.
Feeling that I feel like I'm over the line just yet. I feel like I've got the joke time or what state it will be in. I feel like there comes a point where I start to overwork it. A little bit worried. This is okay. There's just something missing. That's my time.
What's the time and telling you?
I mean, I say time to finish the drawing.
see here, she also has a mural here. Heirloom Filipiniana accessories add a Filipino touch to the space. This balances out the European influences in the room.
Here's the Makapagal room. This was designed by the collective.
I love the mixture of texture of everything, and there's a deluxe piece here.
Oh gosh, I was so honored to receive that phone call from Disney, who was so kind to ask us to contribute as well and participate. So there are some those pieces. Thank you for participating. Oh, my pleasure.
And the way they engage the Filipino craftsmen, we have Emilio, and deluxe of course, and Tadeco wallpaper, wonderful touches, like even the lining that you see, and even the shade of the land was made out of wicker, so it also ties into that rice and agriculture. Luna, I know that we were allowed to use a lot of the inventory from Malacañang.
This is from Malacanang.
Correct, and that place is
Yes,
there.
it is so creative and so resourceful. I find it's such a lovely way to just reuse and reuse.
Right, and to see so much more in it.
So this is the spa designed by Conrad Ingalls.
Such an interesting area.
It is. And I've heard and found that it was actually a storage warehouse at the back of the Royal Mansion before. So they converted it into this beautiful, really relaxing oasis.
And such interesting touches that Conrad has put into the room that actually makes you feel very relaxed. It's a departure from the typical spa that you would actually imagine. Like a lot of dark wood, dark colors,
Right, because usually it's all
it's
beige
also
and
meant to everything.
and the black and white as well. It's quite colonial.
Would play with all the patterns that you see on the floor, the carpets, the upholstery, even just as a guest here, when you're welcomed into a spa feature, it's so nice to just unwind and relax. The pool within the pool is also a good idea for those who want to unwind. This will also be managed by the friendly staff of the farm at San Juanito. Now that's a full suite of Filipino hospitality that street guests are privileged to experience.
Isn't it so refreshing to see a heritage mansion turned into an almost museum-like building of past presidents? It's really refreshing and new.
Amazing. I have to commend the efforts of the First Lady and the President and their office to actually conceive this project and see it done
Yes.
in such world record time.
And I really appreciate them, John, how some of the designers went quite deep in trying to understand who their president was, what their personality was like, and it was reflected in the elements in the room. Sometimes it was quite literal, and sometimes it was more symbolic. But I think everyone did a very nice job of really portraying the president.
So Jess, having said that, what is or are your favorite rooms?
I already knew that you were going to ask me that. I have to say, the Macapagal room was very tastefully done.
Yes, collective.
Yes, the collective. That's right. The texture they put in, it just feels very warm, very inviting, and very thoughtfully, put together. How about you, Anton? Which room stood out to you?
So I would have to say it's a room of painting, and it was done by the Almaga sisters. I appreciate the thought process that went into that room. When you're designing, it's easy to design space, but when you see that it's really well conceived, then you appreciate it more.
I have to say, I really also appreciate the room that you designed.
the guest house actually stood witness to, and another which each room now represents. With each detail coming together to tell our story to the world, it fills me with pride and joy. Really, such masterful work is only possible when we let our artists shine. I am Jessica Kinney Maxwell. And I am Juan Moreto. Thank you for joining us in rediscovering and reimagining the historic La Corral Mansion, only here on Metro Home.
This program is brought to you by Department of Tourism. Holidays more fun in the Philippines.
I've been to beaches all over the world, but as beautiful as they are, none of them compare to the ones we have in the Philippines. Wow, what a view! Whether high tide or low tide, we have over 7,641 islands that offer so many choices for gorgeous beach experiences. For this special episode, I am recounting my favorite luxury resort experiences